Making the shift and transition from being a free recruiter, a recruiter that works on contingency, into retained search or engaged search, where I collect a small fee up front from my new recruiting client, new relationship, was the best change I ever made in not only my business, but my personal life. I now got my valuable time back, made the partnership so much stronger. My clients were engaged with our work and what our recruiters were doing. Their sense of urgency was heightened. When I worked as a contingency recruiter, I never got that kind of relationship from a client because they were using like 10 or 15 other recruiters. Now, when I charged a fee up front, I had exclusive business. It just made my recruiting company turn around in a big way. So if you're looking to start your own recruiting agency, if you already have your own recruiting company, you're working for free, I would encourage you and empower you to charge a small fee up front with your client. If they say no, walk away from the business. If they say yes, you have over a 90% chance of filling that rec and making more money.